Procedure of removal of judges of Supreme Court, Article 124, Subclause 4, which is under Judges Inquiry Act 1968. So basically, removal of judge of a Supreme Court is stated in Article 124 of the Constitution, and further the procedure is laid by the Parliament under Judges Inquiry Act of 1968. So the first process when the judge of a Supreme Court can be removed, it is on the grounds of proved misbehavior or incapacity. As we have seen in our previous video, that the president was removed on the basis of the violation of the Constitution, but judges of a Supreme Court are removed on the basis of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Next stage is that when a motion seeks to remove judge can be presented in either house of the parliament. दोनों में से किसी भी हाउस में वो मोशन आ सकता है. और स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर हैव नो रोल इन द रिमूवल प्रोसेस ऑफ जजेस ऑफ ईदर सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट. सच रिमूवल मोशन शैल बी साइंड बाय 100 members if it is introduced in Lok Sabha, 100 members in the Lok Sabha, or 50 members in the case of Rajya Sabha. The speaker or chairman, as the case may be, admit it or refuse the motion. The speaker has the power, chairman has the power to admit that motion or remove that motion. Now if the speaker or chairman admit, they will be appointing a committee comprising of a chief justice or a judge of a Supreme Court, chief justice of a high court, and a distinguished jurist to investigate the charges of the judges. So the member will be chief justice or a judge of a Supreme Court, chief justice of a high court, or a distinguished jurist. Next point is the committee should submit this report to the house which appoints such committee, and the report is also shared with other houses. However, recommendation of such committee is not binding on the parliament. A very important point, that committee जिस हाउस ने वो कमेटी बनाई होगी वो एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट करेगी उसी हाउस को, और वो जो रिकमेंडेशन होगी वो पार्लियामेंट पर बाइंडिंग नहीं होगी. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द मोशन इफ टेकन फॉर कंसिडरेशन बाय द हाउस हैज़ टू बी पास बाय स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी. स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी होनी चाहिए वो मोशन को पास करने के लिए. इफ द बिल इज पास इट इज सेंड टू द सेकंड हाउस ऑफ दिस देयर कंसिडरेशन. So 2/3 member of the present strength of the house, that is the special majority, should be, the motion should be passed with the special majority. अगर वो उस मोशन से पास हो जाता है स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी तो वो नेक्स्ट हाउस में चला जाता है. Such motion must be passed by both the house separately with special majority. There is no provision of joint sitting. If the other house also passes the motion with special majority, then it addressed to the president. अगर दूसरा हाउस भी उसे स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी से पास कर देता है तो वो प्रेसिडेंट के पास एड्रेस के लिए चला जाता है. फाइनली प्रेसिडेंट पासेस द ऑर्डर टू रिमूव द रिमूविंग जजेज. सो दिस इज द प्रोसीजर विच इज फॉर द रिमूवल ऑफ अ सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज. सेम प्रोसेस इज फॉलोड विद द फॉर द रिमूवल ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जज ऑल्सो. So far no judge is removed from this post. Process for removal of the high court is same, and state government or state legislature has no role either in the appointment or removal of judges of Supreme Court or High Court.